All right, you all, we're going to do this problem, a similar problem again, 7.3b. As always, you have our rules, procedural and conceptual strategies. All right, so we'll start off with our procedural. Our first lap is the procedural lap. So I read the entire word problem, underline the question or highlight it, / highlight question. All right. I have to circle all numbers. Box keywords. And then I have to underline key info. All right. So basically, just like what y'all do in your reading class, you have to annotate. So Maya has 120 caramel apples to sell. Each caramel apple is covered with one topping. All right. So 1/5 of the caramel apples are covered with peanuts. 2/5 are covered with chocolate chips. 3/10 are covered with coconuts. And the rest are covered with sprinkles. All right. So we read the word problem. We highlighted how many caramel apples are covered with sprinkles. Now we got to label. All right. We've already started some labeling. Okay. One topping. Okay. 120 caramel apples. Okay. Now we have to write out our fractions. So 1/5, 2/5, 3/10. Okay. So they are factors of 10. We can use 10. So we have 5. So we're going to have the common denominator being 10. All right. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. So we're going to multiply this one by 2. 10 divided by 5 is 2. We multiply that by 2. 10 divided by 10 is 1. So you multiply that by 1. Okay. So 1 multiplied by 2 is going to be 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is going to be 4. 3 multiplied by 1 is going to be 3. Now we have to combine these. Okay. So it's conceptual again. But as I said earlier, the conceptual actually begins up there, but let's continue it down here. All right, let's add these up. Okay, 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 3 is equal to 9. All right, so now we have 9 over 10, and we're going to multiply this by x over 120. Okay, x over 120. So we're going to cross multiply, which is the same thing as the butterfly method. All right. So 10 times x is going to give us 10x. All right. And then 9 multiplied by 120. All right, let's do that right here. We got a little bit of space. 120 multiplied by 9. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 2 is 18. Carry the 1. 9 times 1 is 9. Plus 1 is 1080. All right. Next, we're going to divide both sides by 10. Okay. Divide by 10. Divide by 10. Divide by 10. So 10x divided by 10, the 10's cancel out, left with x. 1080 divided by 10, I believe that's 108. All right. So we have 108. Okay, so guess what? I just realized the mistake that I made. I made a mistake, but I can still figure out my answer. The answer for covered with sprinkles, this means that we forgot one step. So 1 out of 10 sprinkles. Okay? 1 out of 10 have sprinkles. So in this case here, we have to subtract 108 from 120. So there's 12 cupcakes with sprinkles. The answer is C as in cat. All right. So all these other answers are not accurate. This is accurate. Now, if we did 1 over 10, 1 over 10, which is the sprinkles, multiplied by x over 120, it would have been a lot easier. 1 over 10 times x over 120, okay? 120 is equal to 10x. Divide both sides by 10. X is equal to 12. Okay? Correct answer is 12. Our final lap, our accuracy lap, this is our third lap. The answer is C. We evaluated in our conceptual lap. In our accuracy lap, we selected the correct answer. So hopefully this video will help you all to solve problems like these. Please let me know if y'all have any questions. I think it got a little bit cut off there, so let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, I did 120 equal to 10x when I did 1 over 10 times x over 120. Butterfly method, I get 120 equal to 10x, divide both sides by 10, and then we get x is equal to 12, which is our answer here. All right? So hopefully this helps you all out. Let me know if y'all have any questions. Thank you.